Hello, everyone. Welcome to Video 4 of the Happy series. In this episode, you will learn 24 simple phrases that native speakers use to express happiness in daily conversations, including greetings, polite responses, and everyday happiness.
While you are watching, let's do a little shadowing to train your speaking muscles. So please listen carefully and repeat after me when I ask you to. Let's begin. Rose. Sometimes we use the word happy when we greet people.
That is right, James. This is very common in friendly conversations. For example, you can say, "I am happy to see you."
Repeat after me. I am happy to see you.
You can also say, "Happy to see you."
Repeat after me. Happy to see you.
Another simple way to say this is, "Nice to see you."
Repeat after me. Nice to see you.
If you meet someone again, you can say, "I am happy to see you again."
Repeat after me. I am happy to see you again.
These greetings sound friendly, warm, and natural. James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, I am happy to see you. Happy to see you. Nice to see you. And I am happy to see you again.
Well done. Learners, try using one of these the next time you meet someone. Happiness is not only something we talk about in conversations.
That's right. We also use the word happy in greetings and special messages.
That is right, James. We use happy to share good wishes with others. For example, we say, "Happy birthday."
Repeat after me. Happy birthday. We say this to celebrate someone's special day.
We also say, "Happy Teacher's Day."
Repeat after me. Happy Teacher's Day. This is a kind way to thank teachers for their work.
Another common greeting is, "Happy Anniversary."
Repeat after me. Happy Anniversary. We use this to celebrate years together.
And on a very special family day, we say, "Happy Mother's Day." Or, "Happy Father's Day."
Repeat after me. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Father's Day. We use these greetings to show love and respect to our parents.
That's right, James. All these greetings show love, respect, and appreciation.
Of course, these are just a few common examples.
That's true. There are many more greetings like this in English. You will hear them in real-life situations, in conversations, and in daily life.
That is right. Life will teach you many of these naturally as you listen and practice. The important thing is to notice them, remember them, and use them when the moment feels right.
James, so what are the phrases again that we learnt in this section?
They are Happy Birthday, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Anniversary, Happy Mother's Day, and Happy Father's Day.
Well done, everyone. When you have a chance, try using one of these phrases.
Rose. We also use happy to show that we are willing to help.
Yes, James. Sometimes people use the word happy to sound polite and kind.
That's right. Here, happy means willing or glad to do something. For example, if someone asks, "Can you help me?" How can we answer politely?
You can say, I am happy to help.
Repeat after me. I am happy to help. Sometimes, the person already knows what you will do. So they may ask, "Could you help me?" What is a polite answer then?
You can say, I would be happy to.
Repeat after me. I would be happy to. This sounds very polite. Rose. Sometimes we agree with a choice or a plan. For example, if someone asks, "Are you okay with this plan?" What can we say then?
In that situation, you can say, I am happy with that.
Repeat after me. I am happy with that. Sometimes people do not understand something. They may ask, "Can you explain this, please?"
In that situation, you can give a quick reaction first, like, yes, or sure. Then you can say, I am happy to explain.
Repeat after me. Yes, I am happy to explain. Sometimes people have questions. They may ask, "Can you answer my questions?"
In that situation, you can first say, go ahead or sure. Then you can say, I am happy to answer your questions.
Repeat after me. Go ahead. I am happy to answer your questions. Wow. Well done, everyone.
James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, I am happy to help. I am happy to explain. I would be happy to. I am happy with that. And I am happy to answer your questions.
Excellent.
Rose. Sometimes we feel happy. Without big news.
Exactly, James. This is everyday happiness. We feel this kind of happiness during simple moments. For example, when the weather is nice, when you feel calm, or when your day is going well.
In these moments, people may ask, "How is your day today?"
In this situation, you can say, I feel happy today.
Repeat after me. I feel happy today. Or someone might ask, "How are you feeling today?"
When your day feels peaceful, you can say, I am enjoying a calm day.
Repeat after me. I am enjoying a calm day.
Sometimes we feel happy when we relax, rest, or enjoy a hobby. You can say, I am happy just relaxing.
Repeat after me. I am happy just relaxing.
James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, I feel happy today. I am enjoying a calm day. And I am happy just relaxing.
Well done. When you have a chance, try using one of these phrases.
Rose. Sometimes we want to say something polite. At the end of a conversation.
Absolutely, James. This often happens after a short talk with a neighbor or a friend. A very natural sentence for this situation is, It was nice talking to you.
Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you.
They might also say, I enjoyed it too.
Repeat after me. I enjoyed it too.
Another natural sentence is, Nice to catch up with you.
Repeat after me. Nice to catch up with you.
Then, they might say, Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, It was nice talking to you. I enjoyed it too. Nice to catch up with you. Bye. And take care.
Great job, everyone.
Rose. Sometimes happiness comes from being thankful.
That is right, James. This is gratitude. We often feel this way when we stop and think about the good things in our life.
In these moments, someone may ask, "How are you feeling today?"
To answer, you can say, I feel grateful.
Repeat after me. I feel grateful. Or someone may ask, "What are you thankful for?"
To answer, you can say, I am thankful for today.
Repeat after me. I am thankful for today. Sometimes people ask, "How is life going for you?"
To answer, you can say, I am happy with my life.
Repeat after me. I am happy with my life.
These sentences show calm, peaceful, and inner happiness. James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are: I feel grateful. I am thankful for today. And I am happy with my life.
Nice work. Take a moment and try one of these phrases today.
Today, you learned calm, polite, and everyday ways to express happiness.
We encourage you to write them down. Practice saying them out loud and use them in your daily conversations.
Please remember to stay calm and keep learning. You are doing an amazing job. And remember, you do not need to learn everything at once. Just practice 1 or 2 phrases each day.
Great job, everyone. You have now completed our happiness series. Next, you can continue with our sadness series and learn how to express sad feelings in calm and natural English.
Before we finish, we have one small request. If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English so we can keep growing together.
Thank you for joining us to learn, grow, and shine. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.